It's all in fashion, it's all in vogue, to talk like your granda, to talk with a brogue. It wasn't always like this, it wasn't always so cool, made to look like a dunce, made to look like a fool. To the back of the class to sit in your e'en, it wasn't always in fashion when I was a wean. Talk the Queen's English was all we heard. They thought we were backward, slow, ill-reared. They didn't know what would be, for now it's everywhere, all o'er the TV. You think I'd be happy the way things are now, for it's okay to say brin, trut and coo. But it's no what it seems, it's no the same, for they dinna talk like we did at hame. Myths full of marbles sitting up in queens, reading at poems, professors and deans. It doesn't sound recht, it sounds sort of fake. They try to pronounce it by twisting their beak. I wish they would talk to somebody more rare, fae Greba Burnside or Ballyclare. I will heid a quick greetin and dry my een. I should be happy with what we're saying, for it's great it's in fashion, it's great it's in vogue, to talk like your granda, to talk with a brogue.